Before we get started, remember, viewer discretion is advised. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, click that bell. Now, let's get on with the show. Mijeezas.
Mijeezas, me no love man. Mijeezas, me no love man. My girl come and diss me. Mijeezas, my mother come and diss me.
Right? Who cheats the most? You first.
I think it's equal.
No, what? You know what? Why you say men?
Because men are assholes.
So who do you think cheats the most?
Men.
Men? Why men?
Y'all just do. Y'all cheat the most.
We just do.
Yeah, men cheat the most.
Who does it more sneaking?
Who does the more sneaking?
Mm-hmm.
Like, what do you mean?
In terms of like cheating behind someone's back, who does it more?
Oh, men.
Jesus God.
Y'all really think women do it more, and
Yeah.
y'all only think women do it more because we do it better.
I mean, not me.
Women
No, I'm
cheat-
just. I don't
women
cheat.
cheat-
You know, I'm Jamaican.
Well,
Noted.
yeah, you know. Jamaicans are the worst.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Who do you think cheats the most? Just give me one answer.
Who cheats the most?
Yeah.
Women.
Women? Oh, you're honest.
Yeah, women. I don't know.
Alright, let me ask you this. I'm gonna ask her now, like, what's your best facial expression when you're having sex?
I don't know.
Yeah, you don't know? Give me an example. Like,
I don't know. It has to be big in me for me.
oh shit, let me see yours.
Noted.
How about you?
I don't got one for that
Okay, you don't know make an expression?
answer for that one.
Oh, for real? I have a different question though, like, based on my size, right? Do you see how small I am? Like,
Yeah.
do you think I'm packing? How much inches do you think I'm packing?
Inches?
Yeah, based on my size.
How many what?
How many inches do you think I'm packing based on my size?
Probably good 4.
No, mine the size of the phone.
No, she's right, because I have a little 4-inch. No, for real.
Like a 4-inch.
A little size of the 4?
He about
Oh, shit, man. I'm covered now. I'm covered now.
Roller, let me see. Did you ask me?
It's not stiff right now, so.
Oh, but you got a camera rolling.
All right, go check for yourself. 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 Yeah. Oh God. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. Go, bro. Yeah. She wanna check, bro. Check for yourself.
Go ahead, check. Go
But it's cold right now. Check for yourself. Okay. I'm there.
You there.
Little 4-inch. Okay. All right.
It ain't about the size of the boat.
Motion of the ocean. All right.
Really worse, y'all all think y'all can have like 10 wives.
You think men cheat the most?
I do think men cheat the most. And I think Caribbean men are like the
Are the
number one
worst.
cheaters.
They're
They're
the
the worst.
Me? No, I'm a born again Christian Jamaican man.
That doesn't mean shit.
Jesus. All right, let me ask you a bonus question. Right? This is like the bonus. How well can you arch your back?
What?
Let me see.
Oh my god, bye. Bye. I can't
All
arch
right.
it well.
You can't arch it well.
No,
I don't believe you. But you don't think women? You don't think women do it too?
Yeah, we do it, but I think we do it better.
We do it more sneaky. Us?
Yeah, that's why.
That's why women cheat.
I don't think
You say equal, right?
It's equal. It is.
You don't think
No,
it's-
no, definitely.
Yeah. See?
The guy's cheating has to be cheating with somebody.
I think you have more faithful women out there than you have
Oh really?
faithful men.
No, I think it's
Women cheat,
equal.
just I think it's
I don't
equal.
think so.
All right. Have you ever cheated before? Shit, I wish you didn't have one of the glasses. Have you ever cheated before?
Yes.
Why? What caused it?
Trying to help man.
And it wasn't even me. Hey, I'm gonna ask a different question, right? Based on my size, like my size of my body, like what inches I think I'm packing?